Many photographers walk right past scenes like this. But here's the thing. None of these photographs existed until the light appeared. And tonight, everyone, I'm going to show you how to find what I call night magic. So let's go. This scene isn't interesting, at least not yet, but the light is. So now I wait. One person, that's all I need. The photograph isn't about the person. It's about what the light did to the person. That's night magic. Now I'm going to switch over to camera live view. At night, things become much simpler because during the day, there are distractions everywhere. At night, what's left is light and shadow, and black and white photography thrives on that simplicity. Rain completely changes everything. Every puddle becomes a mirror. Every street becomes a canvas. Sometimes the reflection is more interesting than the subject itself. Whenever I see wet ground, I stop and look down instead of ahead. Now, when somebody walks through strong light, their identity disappears. The viewer starts asking questions. Who are they? Where are they going? The less information you give people, the more they engage with the image. Interesting light is more important than an interesting subject. Give me an ordinary person in extraordinary light, and I'll make a stronger photograph. The magic isn't the person. The magic is the light. Now I'm going to quickly tell you my camera settings. As you can see, my ISO is set to auto. I have an f-stop of 1.4, that's the lowest for this Viltrock lens, and my shutter speed is on 125. And my metering is on multi-metering. And I'm using film simulation A-Cross with a red filter. Now I think I hear some people coming, and I'm going to take the shot as soon as they step into the light. Well, now I'm going to move to another spot and I'll see what type of image I can get out of here. Well, this is the composition I chose. We have 2 lanterns, and I think I can hear some people coming. And as soon as they walk into the light, I'm going to take the shot. Here they come. And there we have the shot. We have these 2 guys coming down here as well. And I'm the same. I'm going to wait until they step under the lantern. And I'm going to take another shot. And I'll show you the edited image also. So everyone, next time you go out at night, stop looking for subjects. Look for pools of light, reflections, silhouettes, and contrasts. And then wait, because eventually someone will walk into your photograph. And when they do, that's when the night magic happens. Well, thank you everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.